Hey guys, quick video. I made a video the other day about a home remedy for gnats, or gnats, or fruit flies, and like other flies that like the smell of like fruit. And I went in the kitchen last night, and I haven't seen a fly, since last year. And I see my first fly of the year. I go in the kitchen, and it's just sitting on the rim of the sink. And this was it was kind of thick fly, but it kind of startled me because I just wasn't expecting a bug or a fly to be there. And then I'm a person that just can't do bugs. I cannot. So it got up and flew, and I'm like, OMG, this fly now is going to be bothering me. It's going to end up in my room. It's going to be buzzing in my ear when I try to go to sleep, or when I try to go to sleep, or in the morning while I'm sleeping. They get the buzzing in your ear and wake you up. But anyway, I just had all kinds of thoughts. But I noticed that I did not see that fly anymore. I did not see that fly anymore last night. And I got up this morning, got up today, went in the kitchen, to do what I normally do. If it's any dishes in the sink from them doing whatever they do at night, go in there to take care of my daily task, and lo and behold, the fly is in the cup of solution that I made for the bugs. So I'm back to say this is my first time seeing a fly go into the cup. Normally it's like sometimes mosquitoes, fruit flies, gnats, and sometimes other bugs manage their way in there. Like once you see the cup, you'll see that there's some stuff and floating around in the cup, and there's something at the bottom. I'm not about to stir in the cup to try to see what it is, but it captures other things too outside of what may get tossed or waste into the cup. But yep, it catch flies too, so I wanted to come back and say that. So yep, here it is, a nice size fly, I might add. And yes, I pay attention to bugs and everything too, because I'm terrified of them. So here we go. Okay, so there it is, and me wondering where this fly is. That fly is in the solution. I don't have to worry about him no more because he's gone, and hopefully no more end up in this my home throughout this spring and summer. But that's what I wanted to come back and show you guys, just to let you know that the solution definitely does work. Even if it wouldn't have caught a fly, it's still good. It works for gnats and fruit flies and other flying bugs that's attracted to the smell of fruit. And vinegar has that really strong smell, so it attracts them very well. And I figure when you mix that sugar with it, it just makes it smell so sweet. All right, so that's what I came back to say. And I'm gonna link the video to how I make the solution in the description, just in case you wanna make this home remedy and get rid of some of the gnats and fruit flies that may be pestering you. See you guys in the next video.